हेलो मेरे पढ़ाकू बच्चों, हम आ गए हैं शॉर्टकट मेथड पर। यानी कभी कभी ऐसा होगा कि स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म पॉसिबल नहीं होगा, हम उसके टुकड़े नहीं कर पाएंगे, इस 7 के हम टुकड़े नहीं कर सकते। तो उस केस में हमको क्या यूज करना पड़ेगा? श्रीधराचार्य क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला। आज से हजारों साल पहले, दैट इज 1025 एडी में श्रीधराचार्य ने यह फॉर्मूला इन्वेंट किया। एंड वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड द शॉर्टकट to calculate any of the quadratic equations roots by this form. So, what's the formula? We derive this formula first. Suppose the equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We want to make this x square as coefficient 1. So, divide both the side by a. We'll take x square b by ax on one side and minus c by a on other side. No problem. Now we want to make it as a perfect square. और 6th क्लास में आपने पढ़ा है परफेक्ट स्क्वायर कैसे बनाते हैं. a square is with us, 2ab b square and subtract the same from both the side. a square plus 2ab plus b square, and what we add here, we have to subtract it. The same 2x is with us, b by a with us. It means here we have to fill 2b by a. Now see the balance, b by 2a we want to fill here. Now see 2 and 2 cancel out, bx by a. So here we have to write again the same thing in all the brackets. It means this square we are adding and the same square we are subtracting. Balance is same, equation is same. But first 3 now convert as x plus b by 2a the whole square. Yes or no? a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to, इसको मैं उधर ले जाता हूं तो क्या हो जाएगा? b square upon 4a square minus c by a. And if I take the LCM, what I'll get? b square minus 4ac. This is nothing but x plus b by 2a the whole square. Now our aim is to calculate the value of x, but here it is whole square. So we have to take both the side square root. So if we take square root both the side, what we are getting? X plus b by 2a equals to plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. But our aim is to calculate only x. So x equals to this b by 2a to go to right hand side. So minus b by 2a plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. And this form we can arrange in the standard form of the formula is x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a is said to be the Sridharacharya formula. Directly you have to put the value of ABC. What is A? 2. What is B? Minus 7. What is D? 3. Substitute and get the answer. No splitting the middle term, no factorization. So how we put the values? First we write what is A, what is B and what is C. Correct? First step. Now x equals to direct answer minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4 a c divide the whole. बच्चे क्या करते हैं मालूम? कोई 2a को इतना सही लिख देता है. Line 2a means complete division of the whole numerator. It's not like that 2a केवल इसके नीचे लिख दिया या 2a केवल इसके नीचे लिख दिया. Wrong. 2a divided by the whole is a common mistake. So note down. 7 plus minus under root 49 minus 24, that is 25 divided by 4. So answer is 7 plus 5 by 4 and 7 minus 5 by 4. एक बार प्लस यूज करना है, एक बार माइनस यूज करना है. अब बताओ क्या आंसर आया? 12 by 4 that is 3 and 7 minus 2 2 by half. These are the two answers. Only in 3 lines you will get the answer. And this inside quantity, that is b square minus 4ac, is said to be discriminant. Very important quantity. b square minus 4ac. We'll discuss it in the next lecture. B square minus 4ac is said to be discriminant, and everything, the whole answer, nature of the answer decided by this one. Correct? Now the next sum using direct formula. Here second sum, a is 2, b is 1, c is minus 4. Always write ABC in a line. Now apply the formula. First you have to write the formula, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. मैं इस पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दे रहा हूँ. Whole divided by 2a. Minus of b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a minus 1 plus minus. Inside the root, 4, 4, 16 to 32, that is 33 divided by 4. अब कुछ कैंसिल नहीं हो रहा है, then leave the answer as it is. This is the irrational answer because root 3, 33 plus minus something answer. Correct? Next sum, पहले ये ले लेते हैं. Fourth, a is 2, b is minus root 5 and c is minus 2. First write the formula. Always make a habit to write the formula first. b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. बताओ क्या लिखेंगे? root 5 plus minus under root. b square minus 4ac. b square means 5. 4. a means, c means divide by 2a. Simple calculation. Fast चलना है. root 5 plus minus under root. 4 to 8 to 16 and 5 21 divide by 4. फिर से चेक करो. root 5 का स्क्वायर 5 minus 4 into 2 8, 8 to 16, 16 minus का minus plus 16 and 5 21, root 5 answer. Correct? Fifth, a is 1, b is minus 4a and c is 4a square minus b square. वापस चेक करो. a is 1, b is minus 4a and c is 4a square minus b square. Now first we write the formula. X equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now we have to substitute the values. So x equals to minus b. Minus b means 4a plus minus b square 16a square minus 4a. a means 1 and c means 4a square minus b square divided by 2a. So 4a as it is plus minus 16a square minus 4 4 16a square minus minus plus 4b square divided by 2. What we are getting? 16a square cancel out. 4b square under root is 2b and whole by 2. So if you write by taking 2 out, it is 2a plus minus b divided by 2. So answer x equals to 2a plus minus b. So when the question comes in ABC ना, तो स्टूडेंट बहुत ज़्यादा घबराते हैं. क्यों? पहले ही फॉर्मूला में ABC और फिर क्वेश्चन के अंदर भी ABC. सो कंफ्यूजन नहीं, उसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए? फॉर्मूले में कैपिटल B, कैपिटल B, कैपिटल A, कैपिटल C और कैपिटल A लगा देना चाहिए. करेक्ट? नाउ द नेक्स्ट सम. Is from the previous year's board paper. First we write what is A. A is 9, B is minus 9, A plus B, and C is what? The remaining constant, that is complete constant term is C. ABC with us. Now we have to write in the formula. So first we start with minus B. Here we write minus B plus minus under root. B square means इसका square. B square minus 4A and C means complete constant term plus 2B square. Correct? Whole divided by, ये हमेशा ध्यान रखना है, whole divided by 2A is the answer for X. अब क्या करेंगे? ध्यान से देखिए. 9A plus B plus minus under root 81 A plus B whole square minus 9 4 36 bracket 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Now we have to expand it. How we expand? 9a plus b plus minus long root divide by 18. So first we start. 81 a square plus 2ab plus b square. Simple whole square formula. Minus 36 into 2. 36 into 2, 72 a square. Minus 36 into 5, 180 ab, and 36 into 2, 72 again b square is the complete quantity with us. Now the last step, when you simplify it, what we are getting? 9a plus b plus minus. See, 81a square and 72a square, remaining only 9a square. Correct? Now 81b square and 72b square, remaining only 9b square. 81 into 2, 162, and here 180. So remaining 8, 18 minus 18ab. Now nothing is left. Divide by 18. Now tell me, what is the whole square of this quantity? 9. If you take 9 out, it will be 3. And inside the root, a square, very simple formula of class 6th. 9a plus b plus minus 3. Yes, tell me, it is nothing but a minus b whole square. And a minus b whole square inside the root. So when it comes out, only a minus b. Open the bracket first with plus sign. First we are using plus sign. Then this answer. If you use the minus sign, minus 3a plus 3b divide by 18. So what about the first answer? First answer is 9a and 3a, that is 12a, and 9b and 6b divide by 18. And what is the second answer? 6a, 12b divide by 18. है ना लेंथी क्वेश्चन? पेशेंस, बहुत ध्यान से आराम से करना है. 6 is common. When 6 is common, the final answer 2a minus b, 6 is common. Again 6 is common. These are the two answers for this long question. बोर्ड में आया, मजाक तो नहीं, पढ़ना पड़ेगा, मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें हमको थोड़ा पेशेंस चाहिए, थोड़ा धीरे धीरे करके आराम से करें, अच्छे से पूरा होगा. यस, तो ये हमने कंप्लीट किया आज. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का कोई भी क्वेश्चन ऐसा नहीं होगा जो आपसे सॉल्व नहीं होगा, बिकॉज हमारे पास है श्रीधराचार्य फॉर्मूला. सो आज का टर्न अब किसका? लिखना है क्या? होमवर्क. कितने क्वेश्चन? 5. कितना टाइम? 30 मिनट्स. कर लेंगे ना? तो लिखिए 5 क्वेश्चंस. ये रहा आज का होमवर्क. कर लेंगे. एक आध क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा डाउट आएगा, चिंता नहीं करना है, क्योंकि मेहनत करने से ही कुछ मिलता है. यस, टेक केयर, गुड बाय. मिलते हैं अगला पॉइंट लेकर के.